Hello, it's Richard Smith from Amazing ICT here, and this is video 3 of our Fun at the Fair sequence of videos. And in this one we're going to try and add a bit more interactivity to our dodgem cars. So what we've got here is we've edited this and made it quite interesting, and then on our other dodgem, if we click on there, we've got two costumes. So we've got a little smiling face with the cat's tongue out and a little bit of detail down here where we're going to have a bit of impact when it hits the other car. So to do that, all I did was click on the duplicate icon at the top, click on the one I want to duplicate, and then you get a third costume. So I've just deleted that, so I've got two costumes. So I've made the cars also go to a certain place on the screen. So if I show you that to start with, if we go to the scripts, off the costumes and onto the scripts, you can see when the game starts, it's going to glide to a particular place. So if we click on there, they're just going to glide. So to start with, they're in horizontally, they're in on the same level. Okay, so if we click on here, you can see I've added some little bits. So this is the difficult bit, and you can try this at home. Basically, what we're saying is if sprite 1, the blue car, touches sprite 2, then it'll change costume. So remember, costume 2 was the one with the smiling tongue and the face and the detail here. It'll wait a second and then it'll go back to costume 1, the original look of the car. So probably the easiest way is if I show you. So we're going to play the game and then we're going to press the right arrow so you can see it's just whizzing along, and then hopefully when it touches the red car, we'll just go slowly, something will happen. Can you see? And the other cat is saying ow, 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 which we did in lesson 2. So every time it moves right, it's going to make that noise. So we've added a little bit of interactivity. One final thing I wanted to show you, if we go back to sprite 2, what we've had to do here is we've had to have what's called a forever loop. So at the beginning, if it touches sprite 1, so if the red car touches the blue car, then the character will say ow. However, if you just put that there, that's just checking for it once, and we want it to check constantly, so we've got to put it inside a forever loop. So now what happens is it's forever checking. Is it touching sprite 1? No. Is it touching sprite 1? No. Is it touching sprite 1? Yes. Therefore it says ow. So join me again for video 4 and hopefully you'll be getting into this exciting project.